SL Reason with Attitude will be next to load. Jess FYI will be next. Rod and Allison's A Political Collusion will be next up. Circling a little bit behind the gate there. They'll work with him, get him loaded up here. Straighten him out and put him back in. Heck of a job by the gate crew back there. Gloyd and his staff, we'll give them a shout out here, but those guys they're doing a heck of a job. They've got, they're working on getting him in. Now he's in, I think. Yeah, he's in. He's got him loaded. That's an excellent job there. CCR, Sweet and Separate will be next to go. CCR, Sweet and Separate is in. Okay. Turquoise cap, Still Time. Still Time in the 9-hole up there. Still Time moves in. 1 to go. La Orgoloza is up. Locked up, all in the gate. There they go. Shot out there like a gun was Just FYI. Just FYI on the outside. A Political Collusion. A Political Collusion. Just FYI. Just FYI in the middle of the track is going to go on to get it done. Oh, and it's close for second between A Political Collusion and CCR, Sweet and Separate.